Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel with part 2 of my grain elevator build, the one I was having missing doors. I actually made some doors out of sheet plastic. It'll work pretty good. I got to make the tracks for it yet. I got all of the bracing on the back of all the pieces done, except for the pieces that don't really need it. So far, so good. I fixed the one that was broken, that I broke the other day. I also gave a shot outside. It was like 70 degrees in here in the garage. I went outside and shot some primer on a spoon. You know, everyone loves to do spoon tests. It came out pretty good. I may try. I have to put all the walls and everything together. But so far, so good. Everything's working out pretty good. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try and make some tracks sometime here in the next couple of days. And if it's warm enough and it's not raining, I'll probably put some primer on everything, and it should be looking good. Hope everybody has a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.